English speaking practice for beginners. So, Mr. Alex, hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. Sheila, hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Mr. Alex, how are you doing today? How are you doing today? Sheila, I am doing fantastic. I am doing fantastic. Mr. Alex, what's your name? What's your name? Sheila. My name is Sheila. My name is Sheila. Mr. Alex, how old are you? How old are you? Sheila, I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Mr. Alex, where are you from? Where are you from? Sheila, I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. Mr. Alex, are you a student? Are you a student? Sheila, yes, I am a student. Yes, I am a student. Mr. Alex, where do you live? Where do you live? Sheila, I live in Dhaka, Uttara to be more exact. I live in Dhaka, Uttara to be more exact. Mr. Alex, in which class do you study? In which class do you study? Sheila, I am a student of grade 12. I am a student of grade 12. Mr. Alex, when do you get up? When do you get up? Sheila, generally I get up early in the morning. Generally I get up early in the morning. Mr. Alex, do you take physical exercise regularly? Do you take physical exercise regularly? Sheila, no, I don't take physical exercise regularly. No, I don't take physical exercise regularly. Mr. Alec, do you take breakfast? Do you take breakfast? Sheila, yes, I take breakfast. Sheila, I take breakfast. Mr. Alex, when do you take your breakfast? When do you take your breakfast? Sheila, I take my breakfast at 7 o'clock. I take my breakfast at 7 o'clock. Mr. Alex, are you married? Are you married? Sheila, no, I am single. No, I am single. Mr. Alex, are you happy? Are you happy? Sheila, yes, I am. Yes, I am. Mr. Alex, are you tired? Are you tired? No, I am not. No, I'm not. Mr. Alex, can you speak English? Can you speak English? Sheila, yes, I can. Yes, I can. Mr. Alex, how long are you staying? How long are you staying? Sheila, we will be there for 3 days. We will be there for 3 days. Mr. Alex, do you take bath every day? Do you take bath every day? Sheila, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Mr. Alex, what day is today? What day is today? Sheila, today is Friday. Today is Friday. Mr. Alex, how many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Sheila, I have one sister. I have one sister. Mr. Alex, do you live with your family? Do you live with your family? Sheila, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Mr. Alex, do you love swimming? Do you love swimming? Sheila. No, I don't love swimming. No, I don't love swimming. Mr. Alex, can you cook? Can you cook? Sheila. Yes, I can cook. Yes, I can cook. Mr. Alex, do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? Sheila. No, I don't like pizza. No, I don't like pizza. Mr. Alex, what is your favorite dish? What is your favorite dish? Sheila, my favorite dish is biryani. My favorite dish is biryani. Mr. Alex, may I know your favorite color? May I know your favorite color? Sheila, yes, my favorite color is black and white. Yes, my favorite color is black and white. Mr. Alex, how much is this? How much is this? Sheila, it's 500 taka only. It's 500 taka only. Mr. Alex, how much is this? Sheila, it's 500 taka only. It's 500 taka only. Mr. Alex, when will you go? When will you go? Sheila, at night. At night. Mr. Alex, what's your father? What's your father? Sheila, he works in a private concern. He works in a private concern. Mr. Alex, what's your mother? What's your mother? Sheila, she is a teacher. She is a teacher. Mr. Alex, do you have any best friend? Do you have any best friend? Sheila, yes. Thoma is my best friend. Yes, Thoma is my best friend. Mr. Alex, how much is tomato per kg? How much is tomato per kilogram? Sheila, 50 taka per kg. 50 taka per kg. Mr. Alex, what month is it? What month is it? Sheila, it is August. It is August. Mr. Alex, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Sheila, nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.